Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Celestia. Your daily update was needed because it looks like Celestia has the potential to actually become bullish again. And we did talk about this yesterday as well. So this is like an update, all right? And I'll tell you what I said yesterday, and I'll tell you what has happened, all right? So we'll start off with that, and then we will just do a full analysis on Celestia, what to expect, what's going on. What is the market structure? Will it still rally? Will it hit $10? Everything. All right. So purely looking at the momentum, like Celestia looks fairly neutral. All right. And you can also see that the ADX, it was below 20 on Wednesday. Now, a day later, there's a little bit more trend in the price, but overall you can see that the like if you take a look at the EMAs right here, they're relatively flat, which would indicate that the price will just consolidate and move sideways. But all right, what we talked about yesterday is that it was most likely that Celestia would test that level between $6 and $6.2, which it has done. And what we talked about then is that if it hits $6.2 and then finds support at $6, then it could actually turn bullish as well. And that is what we're seeing right now. All right, you can see that Celestia, even though, like I said, I mean, purely looking at the momentum, it doesn't look that strong. So I'm not necessarily expecting a bullish breakout, but today, just purely technically, there is a chance, there is a possibility of Celestia becoming bullish again. And that is if it uses this support around $6, 5.8 even, to break above this level right here at 6.4 or 6.35. If it's able to do that, then it just is bullish, all right? Regardless of that the EMAs are flat, regardless of that the ADX is relatively low, then it just is bullish, and it will rally back up to 7 and probably even 7.5 again. So it's a possibility, but I have to say, like if I look at all of the numbers, all right? So if I look at the open interest, the volume, and if I look at the charts, like historically, this has been a range in which Celestia has ranged before, right? I mean, right here in this period, it also ranged between 6.4 and 5.5. So I have to say that even though I think this is a possibility, all right, I really do think this is a possibility and you should keep it in mind. But I think it's more likely that it will respect that resistance and drop back down below 5.8. And once it has actually dropped down below 5.8, I think that's confirmed. And then it will find support at 5.5, potentially like 5.2, that area. And then a consolidation is just most likely here. And where that consolidation goes eventually, that's hard to say. That consolidation could still later this week or next week turn into a bullish breakout and a bullish continuation. It's a possibility, but for now, just on the short term, I think it's more likely it does respect this resistance. I'm telling you, there's a chance it breaks through, and you should know that. But if that happens, I was wrong, all right? Because I'm telling you right now that I think it's more likely that Celestia will respect the resistance and actually drop back down towards the support level in this range. I also don't think Celestia will get a huge crash, all right? I don't. But it is also a possibility. But yeah, I mean, I know that's not a nice analysis. But like right now, what I was looking at is that actually some sort of a head and shoulders pattern could be starting here. So that's like by far that's not true yet. That's not here yet. But there's yeah, I mean, trading Celestia right now is just difficult. Like I said, I expected to find some more resistance here, drop down, respect the support, and consolidate. That's what I expect. That's my summary. If you do have any questions, though, let me know down in the comments. And apart from that, if you are interested in my premium or signal group, then links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment to check out. All right. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next videos, and bye.